HomeLink connects your Tesla to radio frequency controlled devices, including garage doors, gates, and security systems. Once HomeLink is programmed, you can customize your settings. Go to Controls and tap the HomeLink icon. Select HomeLink Settings and select the device you wish to customize. Auto-fold will fold in the mirrors when HomeLink activates on arrival, to give you more space for entering a garage, for example. Auto-open when arriving uses your Tesla's GPS to automatically open your gate or garage as you near it, so you don't have to tap on the touchscreen. Adjust the distance from which to activate it here. As long as your Tesla is near your HomeLink device, you can activate HomeLink from anywhere using the Tesla app. This turns your phone into a gate or garage opener so you don't have to carry a remote. If your Tesla is equipped with Summon, enable Auto HomeLink to integrate the two features. Summon your Tesla from your garage, and with your supervision, it will automatically open the garage door, pull itself out, and close the garage door behind it. To enable this feature, go to Controls, Autopilot, and Customize Summon, and enable Use Auto HomeLink. Make sure you've selected the garage or gate you wish to link. Your garage or gate will now automatically open and close when Summon is activated within range of it. To learn more about HomeLink, review your owner's manual on the touchscreen.